Nail your AI prompt engineer interview. Top questions for 2025. Calling all AI trailblazers. Want to land your dream job as a prompt engineer in 2025? Join us as we unpack the toughest interview questions and share expert tips to help you shine. Stick around, and you'll walk into that interview ready to wow. Let's explore. 1. Explain how a transformer model works. This is a classic. Interviewers want to see if you grasp the backbone of modern AI. Here's a sample answer. A transformer model is a neural network architecture designed for sequence-to-sequence tasks, like natural language processing. It uses mechanisms like self-attention to weigh the importance of different words in a sentence, allowing it to understand context. It has an encoder-decoder structure, where the encoder processes input data and the decoder generates output. For example, in GPT models, only the decoder is used for tasks like text generation. Keep it concise, and if they ask for more, dive into details like attention layers or positional encoding. 2. What's the difference between fine-tuning and prompt engineering? These checks if you understand where prompt engineering fits in the AI pipeline. Try this. Fine-tuning involves retraining a pre-trained model on a specific dataset to improve its performance for a particular task, like sentiment analysis. Prompt engineering, on the other hand, is about designing input prompts to guide the model's behavior without changing its weights. For instance, adding explain in simple terms to a prompt can make a complex AI output more beginner-friendly. Show you know both approaches complement each other. 3. How would you create a prompt to generate a creative story? Interviewers want to see your thought process. Here's an example. I'd craft a prompt that sets clear parameters but leaves room for creativity. For instance, write a 500-word sci-fi story about a time traveler who discovers a hidden city, including vivid descriptions and a surprising twist. Use a third-person perspective and a hopeful tone. This prompt is specific about genre, length, and tone but allows the AI to flex its creative muscles. I'd also test and refine it to ensure the output aligns with expectations. Mention iterating on prompts to show you're methodical. 4. How do you handle ambiguous or biased AI outputs? This is huge in 2025, as ethical AI is a priority. A strong answer might be, if the output is ambiguous, I'd refine the prompt by adding context or constraints, like specifying the audience or desired detail level. For bias, I'd analyze the output for stereotypes or skewed perspectives and adjust the prompt to promote fairness, such as explicitly asking for diverse viewpoints. I'd also leverage tools to monitor bias and collaborate with data scientists if needed. This shows you're proactive and ethically aware. Now, let's talk behavioral questions. These explore your problem-solving skills and how you work in a team. 5. Tell me about a time you solved a complex prompt engineering challenge. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. For example, in my last project, I was tasked with generating accurate legal summaries using an AI model. The outputs were too vague. I analyzed the prompts, identified missing context, and rewrote them to include specific legal terms and a clear structure. After testing multiple versions, the summaries improved by 30% in clarity, as rated by our legal team. Be specific and quantify results if possible. 6. How do you stay updated on AI advancements? Show you're a lifelong learner. I follow AI research on platforms like R14, attend webinars from organizations like XAI, and experiment with new tools on grok.com. I also engage with communities on X to discuss emerging trends, like advanced prompting techniques. Name-drop reputable sources and platforms to prove you're plugged into the industry. Before we wrap up, here are 5 quick tips to shine in your interview. Research the company's AI stack. If they use specific models or tools, tailor your answers to show familiarity. Check their website or recent posts on X for clues. Tip 2. Practice crafting prompts. Use platforms like grok.com to test prompts and refine your skills. Bring examples to the interview to showcase your work. Tip 3. Be ready to discuss AI ethics. Questions about bias, fairness, and transparency are common, so have thoughtful answers prepared. Tip 4. Highlight teamwork. Prompt engineering often involves working with data scientists and product teams, so share stories of successful collaboration. Tip 5. Stay calm and confident. If you don't know an answer, admit it, and explain how you'd find the solution. Interviewers value honesty and problem solving. And there you have it, your guide to nailing your AI prompt engineer interview with these questions and tips. You're ready to impress. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and share your own interview tips in the comments below. For more AI insights, check out resources on XAI or join discussions on X. Good luck, and go crush that interview.